Hey guys, so today I want to talk a little bit about punctuating transitional words. Okay, so we've talked about this before, and we should know to put a comma after our transitional words when they begin a sentence. Okay, so for example, therefore, it is a good idea to play skee ball. Meanwhile, we decide to play Mario Kart. As a result, we lost all of our money. Okay, we should know to put our commas after each of these things, okay? However, what if we use these transitional words other places in the sentence, okay? Um, for example, what if we have two independent clauses and we're combining them with a semicolon, okay? If we do that and we want to put a transitional word after the semicolon, we still need to put a comma after it, just like we would do with any other transitional word at the beginning of a sentence, okay? So looking at it here, Dave likes bananas. However, he wasn't in the mood for one today. I have my two independent clauses. I'm joining them with a semicolon. I want to put a comma after my transitional word there. Same thing here. Neither of us likes apples, semicolon. As a result, comma, we do not like apple pie. Okay? And a lot of the time, it is good to use a transitional word after our semicolon to show kind of why those two independent clauses connect. Okay, so how they fit together. All right. Now, when we interrupt a clause with one of these words, we need to put commas on either side, just like we would with any other interruption. Okay. So it was time for dinner. Aria, however, didn't want an ice cream cone. So I'm interrupting with my word however, so I want to put commas on either side. I didn't like roller coasters, and as a result, I didn't want to go to King's Dominion. So same thing. I'm interrupting myself, okay? So I want to use commas on either side of that transitional word, okay? Now, sometimes, and I don't usually like doing this because it sounds a little weird, but sometimes you might want to use words like this at the end of the sentence, okay? And in that case, we still want to put a comma after it. So I wanted to go to King's Dominion, comma, of course, okay? Now, we're going to do some no-red ink practice with this, and it's important to note that no-red inks calls these words thamos, which is short for therefore, however, also, meanwhile, otherwise, which are 5 of the most common words like this. So if you see them talking about thamos, don't let that confuse you. They're just talking about these transitional words, okay? All right, so we'll be talking about this more